5 individuals, and the wheel of fate. Doors to other dimensions and hidden pathways. For you have entered the Bizzarro Zone.
Stocks are down again.
Not bad if I do say so myself, my little lady.
There's nothing like a stiff drink to get you to the end of the day.
You know, I heard from the man on the radio this morning about those unidentified flying objects in the area. What's that you say?
You really believe in those things? Sounds like some new movie stunt to me.
Lord, I hope they sweep me away and take me far away from here.
Now what was that?
What was that?
Hey, honey, stop flipping your lid.
It appears to have crashed.
Now ain't that a bite?
Oh, that's curious.
Mighty peculiar.
There's gotta be a good explanation for all this.
Everyone listen.
We interrupt this broadcast for a special news alert. As of 10:45 this morning Eastern Time, there have been multiple reports of unidentified flying objects in the areas of New York City and central northern New Jersey. We ask that you remain indoors at this time until further notice.
I'm going out to investigate.
You heard the man on the radio. Nobody should venture outside until we know more.
I don't remember those doors being there before.
Don't blow your top, baby. There's gotta be a perfectly good explanation for all this.
What a tiny little door.
A door that was not there before.
3 doors out of thin air?
I've lived here for close to 20 years. It's nearly impossible.
Mighty peculiar, if I don't say so myself.
There must be an explanation. Now you're here, it's just not possible.
Well, if you're not going in, heavens, I'm gonna go in. But you may never come out.
I think we should talk about this first.
But this one's so precious.
She does have a point.
I don't feel anything. I'm going in. I'm going in.
What do you see?
Oh dear, I don't think she's gonna be able to fit through that door. Oh, you'd be surprised how well I can contort my body. I'm going in. Oh my, she's a plastic figure.
It seems it was her fate. It smells like strawberries.
It just doesn't make any sense.
Things are not as they seem.
There must be an explanation for all of this. I'm going in.
This door?
We already lost one, let's not lose another.
Well, what if it's something bad?
Listen, baby, if you can't stand the heat, then get out of my way.
I think I've seen enough for one day.
If you don't mind, I think I will just sit back and relax.
You hear? 3 doors with no explanation? It's just not possible, eh? That just doesn't make any sense, you see? A door within a door? There it appears to be a door.
It's a door within a door within a door within a door.
Within a door?
What door?
It's a door within a door within a door.
What you say? Oh, heavens to Betsy.
There's only one door left. Would anyone like some sugar wafers while in waiting? Well, if you're not going to explore it, then I shall.
Wait, we don't know what's on the other side.
Perhaps we will all meet our fate someday. I'll be damned if I don't know what's on the other side of it. I'm going in. Oh dear. Oh dear. Why are they all staring at me? Make them stop. Make them stop right now.
They're not of this world.
No. No, I say.
5 individuals, 4 meeting their fate. 1 to be determined. Perhaps this is a lesson not about choice, but about fate. And whether or not impulse control matters in the Bizzarro Zone.